This is a packing seal replacement repair video for the General Pump ETB Evolution series. The recommended tools for this repair are an impact drill, a torque wrench, a soft rubber mallet, a 5mm hex, a 3/8 inch ratchet, silicone lubricant, 2 support pins, a seal insertion kit, a slide hammer with collet, and 2 pry bars. Use an impact drill with a 5mm hex attached to remove the retaining bolts from the manifold. With a soft rubber mallet, tap the manifold to separate it from the crankcase. Insert the 2 pry bars to further separate the manifold from the crankcase. Remove the crankcase from the manifold. Remove the low-pressure retaining washer from the plunger bolt. Insert the slide hammer with collet into the manifold. When secure, lightly tap the slide hammer upward to remove the assembly. Inspect all components and replace as warranted. Install the head ring with the shoulder facing up. Place the insertion tool into the manifold. Insert the high-pressure seal with the seal lips facing down. Use the insertion tool and apply pressure to properly seat the high-pressure seal. Insert the spacer washer into the manifold. Place the insertion tool onto the low-pressure seal retainer. Insert the low-pressure seal retainer, seal lips facing down, into the insertion tool. Use the insertion tool and apply pressure to properly seat the low-pressure seal retainer. Place the retainer O-ring onto the low-pressure seal retainer. Apply lubricant to the low-pressure seal retainer. Place the low-pressure seal retainer, seal lips facing down, into the manifold and snap into place. Apply silicone lubricant onto the low-pressure seal surface. Replace the low-pressure seal retaining washer, shoulder facing down, onto the plunger bolt. Install 2 support pins. Install the manifold back onto the crankcase. Apply lubricant to the retaining bolts and tighten in the proper order using a 3/8 inch ratchet with a 5mm hex. Finally, using a torque wrench with a 5mm hex, tighten the bolts to the proper specifications.